attack on the World Trade Center, Twin Towers, on the 11th of September.
Crash over on Lambertsville Road, and probably had a terrorist bomb on board that blew up.
Guided missiles to crash into landmark buildings in New York and Washington, D.C. Let's revisit the timeline.
Two towers, a huge explosion now raining debris on all of us. We better get out of the way!